Good day, class. In today's class, we'll be examining percentage composition in chemistry by solving the problem on the board. But before we start, how do we calculate percentage composition? Percentage composition can be percentage composition of an element or a compound can be calculated as mass of the or amount of the substance or element in question over relative molecular mass times 100. So if you look at the equation on the board, calculate the percentage composition of hydrogen in tetraoxosulfate 6 acid, sulfur in potassium tetraoxosulfate 6 acid, and water in magnesium tetraoxosulfate 6 acid heptahydrates, and we are giving their relative atomic masses. Hydrogen is 1, sulfur is 32, oxygen is 16, potassium is 39, magnesium is 24. So we know that percentage by mass is mass of elements over mass of compound times 100%. So before we can solve this, we need to know the mass of the compound. Look at the first one, hydrogen in tetraoxosulfate 6 acid. So tetraoxosulfate 6 acid is given as that's H2SO4. H2SO4. So we have hydrogen is 2. Our relative atomic mass is 1. So we have 1 plus sulfur is 32. We have 32 plus oxygen is 16. That's 4 times 16. So if you do this very well, you have 2 times 1, 2 plus 32. 4 times 16, that's 64. So if we add this very well, we have 38 and 34 plus 64. 34 plus 64. That's 98. That's gram per mole. So we have what is now the percentage by mass of hydrogen. Hydrogen is all this. So percentage by mass of hydrogen will be 2 over 98 times 100. So we will solve that very well. We have 200 divided by 98. That's 2 times 100 over 98, and that will give you 2.04, which is approximately 2.0%. So we have the next question. The next question is water in magnesium tetraoxosulfate 6 heptahydrate. Let's calculate the relative molecular mass of this compound. We have B. We have magnesium, which is 24. We have sulfur, which is 32. We have oxygen, which is 4 times 16, plus 7 into bracket, our water, that's 2 times 1, plus oxygen is 16. So if we do this very well, we have 24 plus 32 plus 64 plus, I want to do this once. 2 times 1, 2. 2 plus 16, 18. 18 times 7. Right? 18 times 7. That's 126. So if we add this very well, you have 24 plus 32 plus 64 plus 126. So you have 246 gram per So to calculate the percentage of water, that's water now. The whole of water is all of this. So that will give you percentage by mass of water. All of water is which is 126. The compound, that's 246 times 100. So if you do this very well, you have 126 divided by 246 times 100. So that will give you 51.22. 51.22%. So to one decimal place, that's 51.2%. So that is how to calculate a percentage by mass of any given compound. So we're asked to do sulfur in potassium tetradiosulfate 6. Let's see in our comment section. Bye for now. See you in my next video. Bye.